Hi everyone, my name is Vilma and in this video I will show you the main features we have in Congrea. So once we have scheduled a session, we can start it by clicking on this link that says Join Virtual Classroom as Presenter. Then you have to follow the processes to start. Just click Next for everything and there we are. Then it says Join Session. Once we are in Congrea, we can see that we have two main toolbars, one on the top and one on the left. And we also have the microphone at the bottom and the camera, which you can activate or deactivate if you don't want it. Now, as you can see on the left, we have this first option that says whiteboard. Then we have document sharing, screen share, share video, poll, quiz, text editor, share presentation, and we have this icon to end the session. On the top we have the freehand, we have shapes, text if you want to write, size, color, and an arrow to activate things, or then the last option is this one to clear everything when you're using the board. So let's now try this option that says try text. And then we can type, like, for example, welcome to Congrea. Then if you don't like it, you just clear. Yeah, so these are some of the things we have in Congrea. I hope you like this video and thanks for watching.